Welcome to Easy English channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to explain about past perfect tense. Of course, the definition, where do we use past perfect tense, the formation of it, and where and how to use it in our daily life, in general life. I mean the perfect use of past perfect tense. So watch the video and put the comments if you like the video. But before that, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So let's go. Welcome to Easy English channel. Past perfect tense. So what is past perfect tense? I mean the definition. I will try to explain. Past perfect tense we use for the action that started in the past and ended or completed in the past. We are here in present and we talk about this completion, the completion of action in the past. I hope it's clear. Past perfect tense stands for past action, started in the past and ended in the past. It's very simple and easy. It will be clear with example. Sarah had completed her graduation last year. So the graduation process was started before in the past, right? But she had completed last year. So the action was started in the past and completed in the past. We use Sarah had completed her graduation last year. This is the simple way of using past perfect tense. Now we see the structure, the formation of past perfect tense. Very simple and easy. Subject plus had plus past participle or third form of the verb, as you like. He had sold his car. He had sold his car. So the formation is subject he plus had for all nouns and pronouns. He, she, it, you, they, plural, singular. With all, you have to put had. So he had sold, past participle, third form of the verb, his car. He had sold his car. This is past perfect tense formation. There are some examples that will make past perfect tense clear. The first one, I had completed my project before 6 months. Number 2, Sarah had traveled to UK before 2 years. Sarah had traveled to UK before 2 years. Number 3, they had completed their assignment. They had completed their assignment. Number 4, John had resigned his job last year. Number 5. They had lost football match last year. They had lost football match last year. The next step, how to make past perfect tense interrogative. Very simple and easy formula. She had sold her home. So the auxiliary verb had is here. Just take it out of the sentence and keep the rest of the sentence as it is, without any change. She had sold her home. Take had out. Had she sold her home? And sign mark. Had she sold her home? And question mark. The sentence will be automatically interrogative question. Next example. They had traveled to UK last year. Take had out. Had they traveled to UK last year? John had completed his study. Had John completed his study? Same formula for each and every sentence. Just take had out of the sentence and put it at the beginning and put the sign mark at the end. The rest of the sentence, keep it as it is. Sentence will be automatically question. The next one, negative. How to make past perfect tense negative. The formula is she had resigned. So if you want to make the sentence negative, you have to put not after the auxiliary verb had. So see now, she had not resigned. The sentence will be automatically negative. They had won the match. They had not won the match. Students had lost their trip. Students had not lost their trip. Same formula, just you have to put not after auxiliary verb had. The sentence will be automatically negative. I have explained all the formation, how to make it question, how to make it negative with examples. But there is something remaining till now. Past perfect tense comes with past simple tense. One action happened before other. In the next video, I will explain about two actions happened in the past. One action happened before the others, how to arrange them, where to use past perfect and where to use past simple correctly and properly. So wait for that video. Soon it will be uploaded. If you have any comments about this video, don't forget to write in comments freely. Don't hesitate to write in comments freely. Before I leave, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon